Alright guys, what's going on? Got just a lick of primer and then I ran out. I'm gonna have to get some more, but got the first layer of smooth filler on here. Wait for her to dry. She's still a bit tacky yet, so let's sand her out. And do another lick on her. Okay, we got this bottom patch sanded a little bit. I'm gonna put some rust converter on it before we get some primer, but yeah. I am out of sandpaper and I'm out of primer, so that'll just be a quick video for today. Nothing too crazy. Alright guys, take her easy. Alright guys, got a first coat of primer on her. She laid down nice and flat. Can't see anywhere where the chop was or anything, so turned out pretty good. Got this bottom half all sanded down and some rust converter on it, and still got to do this back panel, but I got to make that pan where my tail light sits and that, so just getting close to be about being 50% here, so starting to really look good. I still got to take those fenders off too, but I got to lift the body up a little bit. I can't quite get to the bolts behind the tires, so I still got this section to do too. That's where I was setting my filler board when I was mudding, so I got a little bit of stuff up there. Just got to sand it and put some rust converter on it, but I really just wanted to get this in primer tonight, so maybe I'll sand that off tomorrow and prime it. Yeah, turns out pretty good. Something stuck in the paint right there. Oh well. Still got to sand it before paint anyways and do another coat, so. But man, did that lay down flat. Man, is that starting to look sweet or what? That's cool. Next project here. Some rust out of the old door. and clean up the shop. Alright guys, I'm going to spend the next few hours cleaning, so take her easy guys. Later.